Shein? What? Like, get your wigs from Shein. Are you guys dumb? Hello, what's goody? It's your girl Bree MH back at it again with another hair install video. Only thing different in this video is this wig is from Shein. Who knew that Shein had top quality, top tier A1 sexy down wigs? Are you guys mad? So Shein has sent me a wig, 100% human. Yep. This is the package it came in. The wig came with a headband. It came with some wig caps. Here's the wig. I got a 28-inch curly wig with 200% density. This is the lace. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. I removed the clips. Okay, hi, hello, what's goody? Probably already said that, but yeah, this is the install part of the video. So I plucked, oh, sorry, I'm watching a movie. As I was saying, I have plucked, I feel like I might need to pluck a little bit more, and I might have given it a bald spot right there. But yeah, I have plucked, I have bleached the knots. Yes, I have bleached the knots and dyed the hair jet black. Can you even see me? Like, I don't know if I like this lighting. This is my first time doing a hair install with this camera, so bear with me. Like, is this even, this feels crooked. But yeah, I dyed the hair jet black, bleached the knots, plucked it, whatever. It's ready for install. So I'm gonna start that process now. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this or something, but yo, let me say, Shein, are you dumb? I might have to be buying all my wigs from Shein from now on because this hair is feeling very luxurious and nice. The only thing I could say right now is that the lace, like, I wish it was transparent, obvi, but we're gonna finesse it, don't worry. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little voiceover for the install portion of this video. So when I'm installing my wigs, I always tie up the hair to make things easier for myself. I always cut the lace into 3 different parts. I use Ghost Bond and I glue down my lace in sections, starting with the middle, and I usually do 3 layers of glue. I do not use a blow dryer. I like to just use, like, you know, the air and just fan it dry. I don't like to use a blow dryer because I just feel like, I don't know, I just don't like to use it. I really don't know if it makes a difference using a blow dryer or not, but I prefer to just fan it dry till it's completely transparent, till the glue is not white anymore. And then I use my tail comb and press the lace into my skin, just like that. And yeah, 3 layers of glue on each side or each portion. What? Does that even make sense? You get what I'm trying to say. 3 layers of glue underneath each piece of lace. Yeah. Then I use my got2b spray, push it into the lace. And then I use the, what do you call this? The something there. What is this called again? Band. The wig band. I usually keep that on for at least 45 minutes. Then we cut the lace off. See me trying to use razor. That was a big mistake. Bro, my recording of this video is not going all that well because honestly, I have a better and easier time installing wigs looking into the mirror. How am I supposed to look into the mirror and show you guys at the same time? Bro, that accent is so shit. This is hard for me. Ross woman just cut myself.
Yeah, it was me. Only touched the top of the breast.
Ow. Oh, I actually cut myself. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh my god. No, son, I can't use them something there. I will only use a razor when installing somebody else's wig. I'm literally bleeding. OMG. Is a Ross cut me? Oh my god, I cut. Jesus, don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself, guys. I'm literally bleeding right now. But the show doesn't stop. I'm just gonna continue. The blood won't stop. Yeah, I sliced my shit up, but do you guys see that? Do you see? It's like melted. What? Yup. Then I go back in with the got2b spray just to make sure everything's, you know, lit on. And then I use the, what do you call it? I'll be back when I'm doing the edges. I don't find that the edge band is tight enough. Like, I don't know. So I wrap this thing from my robe. I wrap it around my head and squeeze it tight. Yeah, just to make sure everything's laid on properly. Here I am just taking out the sections for my sideburns and baby hairs. Yeah. I like to do some extra plucking of the baby hairs because you don't want no thick. I mean, it's to each his own, honestly, but I don't like my baby hairs too thick. Like, I like it to have a little, like more of a natural look with the sparse, whatever. Like a little sparseness, you know? Yeah, so you just have to plug it a little bit. Then I go in with my mini flat iron and I curl up. And then I lay the baby hairs using got2b spray. I just spray the got2b spray directly onto the edge brush and go in like that. Then I like to take some makeup and just go over the parts of the lace that are, you know, showing to make sure we get a seamless blend. Yeah. And then I go back in again with some more got2b because you need this thing to be secure. Like, what? No wig sliding back this summer. No. My edge band is full of makeup. Ugh. Okay, it's time to style this now. And I think I have a slight idea of how to do this hairstyle, but I have to watch a tutorial quickly, like, to really find that I can catch it. Oh, here are the edges. I don't know if I showed you guys the final look. This is the clip that I got. It's so cute. I got this from Forever 21. Is it focused? Yes. I got this from Forever 21, so I have to do this hairstyle. Like, what? So here I am trying to do the viral claw clip hairstyle. Honestly, it's pretty simple. Like, I don't think I really need to explain it step by step, but it's really simple. You just, you know, hot comb the front bit, section out the portion that you want to be flat at the front there, hot comb it, you know, so that part can get straight. And then you're gonna take the two pieces and use a small elastic band to hold the pieces at the back of your head. You see? There we go. You just, you know, take the two pieces at the back. Oh, this is me clipping up the hair just to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to take the two pieces and tie it up at the back of my head using a small elastic. This is the part that was kind of messing me up, though. The little claw clip part. Because I couldn't tell. I didn't know where to put the claw clip. But I ended up figuring it out. I don't think I showed that part, but you just have to play with it until you get it to your liking. But it's quite easy. There's tutorials out there. No. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, I tried to do the style. I don't know if this is right, but I'm gonna like get ready, like do my face and everything and come back. If this style is still in, we'll know something. But I mean, it looks cute, but I just don't think this is how it's supposed to look. Like, I'm not sure. So, I'll be back. Okay, I don't know how this looks. I don't know. But this is the finished result. As you can see, I kept the hairstyle. I did my makeup. And that's the finished look. I don't know if you guys can really see what it's giving. Okay, but thanks for watching, guys. I really love this hair. Shout out to Shein because what? I'm going to be ordering all my curly hair wigs from Shein because this is bomb. I love it. The density is true. It's true to length. The lace blends with my skin very well. Like, I don't know. I don't have any complaints. Shein, what? Like, get your wigs from Shein. Are you guys dumb? Like, Shein has good quality wigs, period. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And see you in my next video. Bye.